15 of our easy 28-day declutter challenge, and today we're conquering the tech chaos in your living room, outdated gadgets, tangled cables, and random remotes. It's time to go. Let's bring harmony back to your electronics and cables. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Banis, and I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and the founder of Inspired by Organizing, a custom e-design organizing service. We've reached the last day of our living room focus week. If you're new here, no worries. Download the free printable checklist using the link below and join us on this decluttering journey. Here's a quick sneak peek into what the 28 days look like and what we have accomplished so far. I'm going to be working on the cords by my desk today, since that is where I truly need to upgrade the area. If the living room cord situation is good in your home, see if there's another area you want to work on. Today we're tackling 2 key steps: electronics evaluation and cable control. Step 1, electronics evaluation. First, gather all your electronics from around the living room. This includes remotes, old gadgets, chargers, and anything tech related that's floating around. Ask yourself, do I use this regularly? Is it outdated or broken? Does it still serve a purpose in my home? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go. Recycle responsibly and donate working items to someone who can use them. Step 2, cable control. Now let's tackle those cables, untangle the mess, lay them out, and sort by type: charging cables, HDMI cords, and so on. Pro tip: use cable organizers or zip ties to bundle cords neatly. Label each cable to avoid confusion later. If you have extras, store them in a labeled box or baggie for future use. And don't worry, if you're unsure what the cable belongs to, it's probably safe to go. Final touch: create a designated tech zone. Use small basket or drawer to keep remotes, frequently used devices, and cables in one access spot. No more hunting for the TV remote under the couch cushion. We've all been. How many cables did you discover in your living room or the other room that you worked on? Drop your answers in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your tech decluttering victories. If this video gave you some decluttering inspiration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss tomorrow's video. We're heading into a brand new focus area, and I can't wait to dive in with you. See you tomorrow.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.